This 2013 Land Rover LR4 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Land Rover LR4 HSE package, third row seating, 5.0 V8 engine, automatic transmission, all-wheel drive system, navigation system, rear view camera, heated front seats, front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, keyless and tri-keyless start, fog lamps, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power automatic windows, power door lock, silver metallic exterior, black leather interior, floor mats. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2013 Land Rover LR4 HSE is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for, or visit us at autogallerychicago.com.